With DreamStation, it's easy to see how your therapy is going. Rotate and press the dial to select My Info and review information screens. Therapy Hours reports how much therapy you've received in the past day. Your average hours for the past week and 30 days are also displayed. If your home care provider has enabled them, you can rotate the dial to see additional screens. AHI displays your apnea-hypopnea index for the past day and average AHI values over 7-day and 30-day periods. This information indicates the effectiveness of your therapy. MaskFit provides a measure of how well your mask is sealing on your face. The higher the percentage value, the better the fit, with 70% being a threshold for most patients and masks. This percentage is also calculated for the week and month. PB reports the percentage of time you experienced periodic breathing. If you see a large increase in this percentage over 7 and 30 days, contact your home care provider. Innovation and you. Philips Respironics.